The church globally, and especially Nigeria, has lost the spiritual aspects and they are counting on material things and has grown cold. And the only way that God can restore the church is to raise persecution. The apostles were so comfortable until persecution came in Acts of Apostles chapter 8. And they all scattered and they went about preaching the good news. But today, churches are based on statistics, buildings, how many vehicles, how many planes, and all of this. And the arm of the Lord will raise salvation. Maybe it has not even started. It's going to start. Because they are very comfortable, thinking that material things and money is what can protect the church. It's what the church is all about. It is not these material things. And God is not happy with what the church. You look at the comparison, you will hear statistics of the richest churches, the richest people in the world, the pastors, the churches, and all of this. Which Jesus turned down these things when the devil took him to the pinnacle and showed him all, the high mountain, and showed him all. And Jesus turned down these things. But these are the things that today the church is carrying up and down, shuddering and showcasing and believing that they are worshiping God. They have lost it. The church is without the Spirit of God. Let the church wake up from its slumber and stop material things and preach the gospel and preach the kingdom. Jesus said, my kingdom is not of this world. If my kingdom is of this world, I would have asked my disciples, my apostles to fight for me, but it's not of this world. Let the church know, let the people know that the kingdom of God does not depend on the material things. For no kobo is going to be added into the kingdom. For there is no amount of money that will be taken to God. God bless you.